Good afternoon, class 8th, subject science, chapter 2, microorganisms, friends and foes. Exercise, fill in the blanks. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Alcohol is produced with the help of dash yeast. Fourth, cholera is caused by dash bacteria. Tick the correct answer. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. Answer is alcohol. The following is an antibiotic: sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol, yeast. Answer is streptomycin. Next, carrier of malaria causing protozoan is cockroach, housefly, butterfly, female anopheles mosquito. Answer is female anopheles mosquito. The most common carriers of communicable disease is ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider. Answer is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells, kneading. Answer is growth of yeast cells. Next, the process of conversions of sugar into alcohol is called nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation, infection. Answer is fermentation. Match the following column 1 with their action in column 2. Column 1 and column 2. बैक्टीरिया की मैचिंग करेंगे. कॉजिंग ऑफ कॉलेरा. फर्स्ट का ई, राइजोबियम. सेकेंड का फिक्सिंग नाइट्रोजन, ए. लैक्टोबैसिलस. थर्ड, सेटिंग ऑफ कर्ड, बी. लैक्टोबैसिलस थर्ड का बी. ईस्ट फोर्थ इज बेकिंग ऑफ ब्रेड, सी. अ प्रोटोजोआंस फिफ्थ का कॉजिंग ऑफ मलेरिया, डी. अ वायरस कॉजिंग ऑफ एड्स, सिक्स का एफ. बैक्टीरिया causing cholera, rhizobium fixing nitrogen, lactobacillus setting of curd, yeast baking of bread, a protozoans causing malaria, a virus causing AIDS. Next question answer. Questions number 1. What are the major group of microorganism? Microorganisms are classified on the basis of their size into 5 major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, viruses. Second question is, can microorganisms be seen with the naked eyes? If not, how can they be seen? The microorganisms cannot be seen with our naked eyes because they are very small in size. Some of these, such as fungus growing on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass. Other can not be seen without the help of a microscope. Next, Name the microorganism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Rhizobium. Answer is Rhizobium, Clostridium, and Azotobacter. Question number 4. Write 10 lines on the useful of microorganisms in our lives. Microorganisms are useful to us in many ways. For example, bacteria like lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese. Acetobacter aceti is used for producing acetic acid from alcohol. Yeast is used in the commercial production of alcohol, wine, and bakery products. Some specific microorganisms are helpful in manufacturing of antibiotics. Microorganisms act as cleansing agent and decompose the waste products into manure. Dead Seventh is dead or weakened microbes are used in the preparations of vaccines. Some bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase soil fertility. Algae, yeast, fungi, or bacteria may be used as an ingredient or substitute for protein-rich food that are suitable for human or animals consumptions. 10th, last point, some microorganisms are taken as probiotics that are believed to provide health benefits when consumed. Next question is 5th, what are antibiotic? What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotic? You do it yourself in your fair copy. Thank you.